Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make a comment bot so you can grow your YouTube channel, grow your views, grow your subscribers, and grow your whole channel. And so before we jump into it, I need to give a shout out to two very special people who are MT Gaming and Prozerback. They have really good gaming channels. They're just starting out, so go subscribe to them, show them some love, and let's just jump right into it. So first of all, what I'm gonna assume you have is you have Python downloaded, but you just need Python downloaded. But we're not gonna be doing any code in this video, as the title, no coding experience is required. So you just go to Python, search Python on Google or Mac or Safari, whatever you have, and go to download, and then just click download. So one button you really want to click is called add Python 3.9 to path, whatever version you have. So there's lots of tutorials on this, so go check them out. And after you have Python downloaded, now another one we're gonna have to download is Git. So you just go to Git download, and then you can just go to here, go to download, and then you can just go, when it's loads over here, you can just click whatever platform you're on, and then you can click download and you can just follow the instructions. So now if you have everything set up, now what we're gonna do is, so this is my GitHub profile. You just copy this link right here, and if everything is working, you go to your CMD or terminal or whatever you have in your PC. Let me exit this out. You go to CMD or terminal in Mac OS, and you just type in git clone and paste that link. So this is gonna load you into the everything, and then so you go to your files, and then when you see in files, you're gonna see when you go into your files and SS and your Windows and your thing, and then you go down, you're gonna see the YT comment bot, and inside you're gonna see this file. So now you're gonna want to install the requirements, which is, so you just do that by pip install. There's a different command on terminal or Mac, whatever you have. I think that's pip3, Python pip3. So then you just do /r requirements.txt, and then that just installs that, and requirement already satisfies. As you can see, I have all of this downloaded already. So, and then what you do is, after it's downloaded, so it's just gonna take like a little bit. Mine is going really fast because I have them downloaded. So after you have them downloaded, then you can just go into C. You can go over here. My bad. You can just go over here into your thing, into your file, and then you can copy the path to this, and then first of what you need to change is, these are the keywords that in the thing. So this is what type of videos it's gonna comment on. So you just go to your keywords, and then over here you can just write like keywords, like, so we're gonna say Python, and you need one per line. We can have YouTube, and then just save that, Control S. You can just open that with Notepad, and let's just go over this code real quick. Let me open it with Notepad. So if you guys are interested in this code, you can check out my GitHub. So what this is gonna do is, this is just like appends the comments, and so this is gonna find them out. So one file you're gonna need to create is called, let me just erase this. You have to erase this too. It says gaming keywords.txt. You can just erase that, so it says keywords.txt on line 216. So that's one error I made, and then you can just go down, and then you can just see. So now what you're gonna do is, so after that's changed, so, and if you don't see that, you don't change it, so you can just change this keywords and rename it to gaming keywords, gaming_keywords. That was just one thing I changed it to. Now you can press CD and then space, go over here. You can do this, copy this path. It's different in terminal. You can just go over here, you can just paste this in, enter. So now you're in the directory. Now what you can do is, you can just type in bot.py. I think it's different in one more thing I forgot is what you have to do is in the config file, you just go to config and then you go open with Notepad. So in here you're gonna have to enter your email and your password. So I'm just gonna go take it over here and enter mine. So let me enter my email real quick. And then I'm gonna enter my password. And then you just save that, and then let me close that out. Okay, now what you can do is you can just double click this, and then it's gonna run, and then it's gonna open a new tab, and then it's gonna sign in. That was just my email, and then it's gonna sign in with your password. And now what it's gonna do is just gonna search up like what the keywords we're gonna told it, like we told it Python. Now it's gonna search that up, and then it's gonna go to this week kind of videos, so it's like not posting on really old videos. And now it's gonna go down, load all the links, and then we can just watch this bot in action. But that's really it for this video. If you like this video, feel free to post a comment in the comment section and tell me things I should improve and any ideas you or suggestions you have. And I will have links to both Prozerback and MT Gaming in the description. And that's it for this video. And I'm just gonna run this bot for like a minute or two so you guys can see it in action.
Goals don't work unless you do. But how you recover?
Just go down. This is just a random video. And then now what it's gonna do is it just commented. You guys can see, but it did comment. So
tonight,
yeah, that's it for this video.
Spicy aioli.
Thank you for watching. And as you can see, it's gonna go on comment, and then it's gonna, and then you can watch it. And then that was it for this video. And as you can see, it's commenting. It's gonna write in what the comment is. So I just typed in something like that, and then it's just gonna comment that. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace.